How to change your username in People. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now I'm in my home page. Here on the right top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So basically we're in this settings section. Here you'll be able to find different option. Here there's an option called data and privacy. Simply tap on data and privacy. So this is the section where you can update or make any edits. Here simply tap on correct your data. So this is the place where you can correct your personal information. Simply tap on edit. So this is the section where you can edit your email, phone number and your personal details. So simply tap on it and here tap and edit your username and you're all set to go. At last, simply go back and it will be saved. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.